How to use Monday.com whiteboard for beginner. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of Mondays.com most visual and collaborative feature, the whiteboard. Whether you are a project manager or creative lead or just someone who loves brainstorming with your team, this guide is for you. We are going to walk you through exactly how to use a Monday.com whiteboard in 2025. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up and how you can use its tool and collaborate in real time with your team. Now, if you don't know what is Monday.com, then the whiteboard Monday.com is a virtual canvas where your team can brainstorm and plan, sketch, and organize their ideas. Think of it like a digital whiteboard you would use in a meeting room, but smarter and connected to your workflow. Now, in order to start, what you have to do is just simply click on this go to my account, or what you can do is just click on this resources or community. No, you have to go to my account, or if you don't have any account, what you can do is just simply create a new account on monday.com. Click on the get started, and if you have an email address, just simply enter that. Right now, I will continue with my Google account. Now they will ask you some personal questions. They hey there, what brings you here today? Personal or work, what you can do, best describe your current role as business owner. Click on the continue. Then how many people are you in your team? How many people work at your company? Click on the continue. Then select what you would like to manage first, software development, team management, project management. Whatever you would like to select, you can select it from here. Just simply click on the continue, give all the questions answer. Here, if you want to invite some of your team members, just enter their email address, and from here you can give your role as well. Right now, I will not do that. Just simply click on the remind me later. I will do it later. So our workspace is getting personalized. Name of your team, you can give whatever, test one, and then here is your team ID. Click on the next. Add a few tasks into your first sprint. Task 1, task 2, and click on the next. Now we are in the dashboard of Monday Dev. So we are not access right now. We have not access of any whiteboard over here. As you can see, in the left side there are some tabs like sprint, epics, and bugs. So in order to access the whiteboard, what you have to do is just simply click on this plus icon. Then you have to go with the start with the template. Now you have over here in the search bar, you have to search for whiteboard. As you can see here, this is a whiteboard. Click on it and click on the use template. Now it will create our template. Wait for a few seconds. Now after the opening the whiteboard, you will get to see this kind of canvas in front of you. So if you see in the left side, you have some icons over here. So this is a select tool. You can click to select and move element from your canvas. This is a color. From here you can change the color of the line or text of anything, and this is a text. Here text tool, you can add sticky notes or text boxes as well from here. As you can see right now, I'm not able to add that. Let's see, let's change the color. As you can see here, whatever I type, I can add over here. So this is a text tool and this is a pen tool. As you can see here, here you can draw freehand draw shapes or sketches, whatever you want. Now it will, so this is a image. So you can add image your URL here. You can import image into your canvas by using this tool. And this is a delete. To delete any kind of structure from your canvas, you can just simply select and delete it. So you can add and manage content from here. You can use the drawing tool to sketch out ideas or simple shape. As you can see here, just select the tool and you can draw whatever you want to draw or explain whatever you want to explain. So this is a freehand tool, so it comes with these shapes. You can click on the text to drop in note and add a title section. As you can see here, you can do a lot of things with it. You can change the color of this text. You can add a different text over here. Just simply remove this text, add text here. Let's say if I want to move this object, what I can do is just simply select that text and change the color of that text. And if you want to use the image tool to upload a reference photo, just simply click on this image and go to Google and search for any photo you would like. Just simply go into your image, click on it, right click and click on the copy link address or copy the image URL. Uh, okay, save link. Let's say if it is work or not. Let's say so. Click on the share button over here and copy this link and then paste it over here. Let's try to add. Okay, we can use only JPG. Let's try on this. Click on this copy this URL and then let's try to put it over here. Okay, I'm not able to let's try this one. This is AVIF file. Let's try this one. This is JPEG. It might work now. Click on the share, copy the link, go back to your whiteboard, paste it again and click on the add. So again, I think it has to be, I don't know why it is not working, but you can try it on your own. You can also click and drag into repository items and you can use the delete tool if you need to clean up. Now, let's say if you want to collaborate with your friend, what you can do is just simply click on this invite button right now and the owner. Now you have to search by name or you can just simply click on this invite new member by email. Click on it. Over here, you have to enter your email address to invite to your member. Now, let's say talk about the practical use cases of this whiteboard. You can use it to brainstorming session. You can toss around ideas, vote with sticky notes and group concept visually. You can give like project planning. You can create timeline of map out of key milestone with the time input. And you can basically mind map, visualize complex process or workflow to keep your everyone aligned. So yeah, and that's it, your complete guide using monday.com whiteboard in 2025. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. If you have any question related to this, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.